How to delete your Epic Games account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimul from App Guide. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can delete your Epic Games account. So you want to simply make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to delete our Epic Games account, it's really simple. We will use our browser, not the native application that you have. So just open up your browser over here. You can also repeat this process from your iOS, iPhone, or your Mac, Windows, and anything other devices. So open your browser and then just go to epicgames.com. So once you just go to epicgames.com, you want to make sure that you are logged into the accounts that you really want to delete. So in my case, I'm already logged into one of the accounts which I want to delete, and after you log in, you'll obviously see this kind of interface. Tap on the three horizontal bars on the top right hand side of the screen, and here you'll see all these options, but ignoring all of that, at the bottom of the screen you can see your profile name. So just tap on your name over here. As you do that, again you'll see these options. Here you want to select the option that says account, which is right at the very top. So just go ahead and select accounts. Once you select the accounts option, basically again you will see this kind of interface over here, but what we will do is scroll down to the bottom of the screen. Once you scroll down here, you'll find this red button that says delete account. So just go ahead and tap on the delete account button. Once you tap on delete account, it'll ask me for your confirmation. Are you sure you want to delete your Epic Games account? If you're having problems, please contact player support who can help. But you also have to understand that deleting your account will remove access to Epic Games like Fortnite, personal information, purchases, games progress, in-game content, and any other projects related to your Epic Games account. So just tap on the delete account button at the bottom of the screen. Once you've done so, it might ask you to verify with your password or anything as such, but if not, then it will send a security code to your email address that was associated. So just go ahead and then verify the email address on which your Epic Games account is actually associated with. So just go ahead and copy the security code over here. Once I copy it, I'll come back and then I'll just paste the code over here. Once I enter the code, I'll just tap on the confirmed account deletion button at the bottom. It will ask me to select a reason, so just go ahead and select any of the reasons over here and tap on the continue button at the bottom of the screen. Once you tap on the continue button, your account would have been successfully deleted. That's all it takes to delete our Epic Games account. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and if you've got any more questions, make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.